Hello everyone, welcome to the Math Click. How to simplify this question for the value of x? Let's come to the solution. Here we have 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x is equal to 16. So first of all, at the left hand side we can factor out 5 power x. So inside here 1 plus 1 is equal to 60. So now we have 5 power x, 1 plus 1 we get 2 is equal to 60. Now dividing both sides by 2. So here this 2 from denominator and 2 from numerator cancel out. We will left with 5 power x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. We get 6 and 3 0 30. So now we have 5 power x is equal to 30. As our job is to find x, the value of x. So now taking log on both sides, this will become log of 5 to the power x is equal to log of 30. Now from a logarithmic property that if we have log of m power n, this is equal to n log of m. So the left hand side of the above equation we can write by using this identity as x log of 5 is equal to log of 30. We can write this 30 as 5 multiplied by 3, 15 multiplied by 2. So 5 multiplied by 3 we get 15 and 15 multiplied by 2 we get 30. So in the place of 30 we will write this as 5, 3 and 2 product. Now another logarithmic property we will use here, that if we have log of m multiplied by n, this is equal to log of m plus log of n. Or if we have another number, that log of m, n and p, so this will become log of m plus log of n plus log of p. So the above equation, the right hand side of the above equation after using this identity will become as x log of 5 is equal to log of 5 plus log of 3 plus log of 2. As we are going to find out the value of x, so dividing both sides by log 5. Here we will also divide with log 5. So now at the left hand side, log of 5 from numerator and log of 5 from denominator cancel out. We will left with x is equal to, this we will write as log of 5 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3 divided by log of 5 plus log of 2 divided by log of 5. Another logarithmic property we will use here, that if we have log of m divided by log of n, so this we can write as log of m to the base n. We will use this logarithmic property. So the above equation will become as x is equal to, this will cancel out each other. We will left with 1 plus log of 3 divided by log of 5. We will use this logarithmic property here. So this will become log of 3 to the base 5 plus this will become log of 2 to the base 5. So this is the value of x we have found by using different logarithmic properties. Now let's verify that whether this value of x is valid or invalid for the given expression. So in verification we will use x as this. So this will become 5 power x, which is 1 plus log of 3 to the base 5 plus log of 2 to the base 5 we have used in the place of x, so plus 5 power x, which is 1 plus log of 3 to the base 5 plus log of 2 to the base 5, and at the right hand side we have 60. So we are going to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So now here we will use an algebraic identity that if we have a power m plus n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by a power n. Or we can say that when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their powers will be added. So this will become 5 power 1 multiplied by 5 power log 3 to the base 5 multiplied by 5 power log 2 to the base 5 plus 5 power 1 by using this identity here also 5 power log 3 to the base 5 multiplied by 5 power log 2 to the base 5, whether it is equal or not equal to 16. By using a logrammatic property that if we have x power log y to the base x, this is equal to y. X power log y to the base x, so this is equal to y. Using this property we will get 5 power 1, which is 5 multiplied by 5 power log 3 to the base 5, so this will become 3 multiplied by log of 5 power log of 2 to the base 5, this will become 2 plus this will be 5 and this will 3, this will become 2, whether it is equal or not equal to 60. So 5 multiplied by 3 15, 15 multiplied by 2 30 plus 30, which is equal to 60. So we can say that 60 is equal to 60. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our value of x 1 plus log 3 to the base 5 plus log 2 to the base 5 is valid for the given expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.